Hey friends, if a certain Wi-Fi network is not showing up on Windows, then there can be three reasons behind it. First of the reason would be that it is not active, and you can verify this by using your phone. Does it appear on your phone? Okay, and the second thing is that your system may not be capable of viewing a 5G network. Like there's usually a 2.5 4G network and a 5G network. So your computer might not be capable of viewing the 5G network, which is okay. That is what happens. Okay, and if both of these factors have been sorted out, then here's what you can do. Press the Windows key in the R key to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now, there are a lot of connections here with a cross mark. So is that the case with your Wi-Fi network as well? So I'll show you what happens. If you disable it, okay, this is what it looks like. Right click on it and enable it. If you are enabling it, the Wi-Fi network should appear here. These are the only three solutions that can be related to a Wi-Fi network's appearance. Beyond this, if the Wi-Fi network is appearing, we can help you with troubleshooting. But if it is not appearing at all, then we cannot help you. Yes, one more thing you can try is that you can update the driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.